Today's Professional is brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
Hello.
Hello. John, we have a prop here today.
Yes, we do.
So people who don't have a basement and have a crawl space may think they're kind of out of the woods, but not really. And crawl spaces can cause some health concerns, and some safety concerns, and this is proof.
Yes. So it's one of those places out of sight, out of mind, because you don't look in it every day. But people will call us, and all of a sudden there's a gap between the cabinets. The floor's sloping. The little kid's taking the Hot Wheels, and he's racing it through the kitchen. He loves it. And what you're finding when we get underneath that crawl space is that dampness and moisture has affected the wood over the years. This is actually a main beam of a house that we just recently removed.
This didn't come out of my old house, did it?
No.
Because it looks like it could have, yeah.
No, we left yours alone. But you can see this is a solid timber. It's not 3 2x8s or 2x10s put together. This is literally a tree that was honed down into a beam. And look at the damage. The floors were like, when they walked across it was like walking across a trampoline. And one of the things that you need to do is to seal that moisture out of a crawl space by encapsulating it with clean space. And doing so, this product behind you that you see will actually keep that moisture and that bad air from getting into the crawl space, which is what causes this to happen.
So that can improve our health.
Tons.
Improve our safety.
You don't get the trampoline effect walking across the floors. And we're going to talk next week about how we support those and stabilize them.
Okay. John, great information. Thanks so much. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you next time.